And yes, hello everyone. Be sure to subscribe, please. Be sure to click that like button and support our channel. Thank you very much from everyone that has been quite supportive in our YouTube channel, Empire Finance, Empire Crypto TV. Today we are looking at AI tokens, and I do believe this is a new development within the crypto space. Going forward, I do believe such projects, AI tokens, and AI crypto projects will be extremely influential and extremely profitable in the course of this year and next year, or during the bull run for the crypto space. Earthmeta, which is one of the first projects, but it says that it's the first AI project that will be approaching this level of technicality within the crypto space. So we'll also be looking at what are AI projects. This is pretty new for me as well, and I do believe that it's new for most crypto investors and crypto enthusiasts. So it's very, very profitable and very useful to jump in early on these projects and get to know them, in terms of getting to know them, research them, and maybe at some point choose the best project that you can be able to invest in. This is just but one of them, the Earthmeta project that I have found to be very interesting. It says the ultimate AI X metaverse token, lead the charge in the Metaverse X. So there is just that combination of the Metaverse, obviously digital reality, and the AI combination, revolution, and secure your EMT tokens in the pre-sale. So this is the pre-sale stage, still very early. I think this project will be booming more next year, but the pre-sale itself is also quite beneficial. To earn up to 186% APY. Okay, APY, let me just learn together. APY is annual percentage yield, but we'll go further on those explanations as we go through into the project itself. In stage 1 and unlock the exclusive bonuses for early adopters. So it says buy now before price increase. Now what I see here is the 5 days, 10 hours, 44 minutes and 0 seconds. This listing has to do with this price currently, which is 0.030. And I think in the next 5 days, the price will increase to 0.012. I don't know if that is going to be that case, but you can also be able to, this the next price that is going to be at. So after 5 days, so it doesn't necessarily mean that in 5 days the project will be launching. So also this project, you can connect your wallet and be able to use your Ether, USDT, your BNB, or your Matic, or your card to be able to jump into this project and buy some few tokens so that you can earn some benefits in this pre-sale. It's not yet on the exchanges, it's not yet on Bybit or Binance, it's still on its pre-sale stages. It also has its white paper. You can go there and reveal it yourself, or read or go through it yourself. I won't be going through it. Maybe it might be just too much for me to go through it on this one show. But before we go any further, let us first understand what are AI tokens, for those who might not understand the concept of AI tokens within the crypto space. I do have an explanation. I hope it's clear enough. And it says AI token definition. What is AI token in AI? Or rather say, what is a token in AI? Okay, in the field of AI, a token is a fundamental unit of data that is processed by algorithms, especially in natural language processing, NLP. These are programming languages, computer languages, computer science based It might be confusing for someone who is still grasping into the world of cryptocurrencies. It can be confusing, but just bear with it. And machine learning services. Okay, a token is essentially a component of a larger data set which may represent words, characters, or phrases. For example, when processing text, a sentence is divided into tokens where each word or punctuation mark is considered a separate token. This is tokenization. This is pretty stuff. This is still very, very, very new. It might be complex and confusing for most people, but you do need to do some deeper research before you get into some of these projects and understand them very well. This process of tokenization is a crucial step in preparing data for further processing in AI models. So further on, I also want to touch on this, the importance of token in AI. Okay, tokens play an essential role in AI, particularly in machine learning models that involve language tasks. In such models, tokens serve as inputs for algorithms to analyze and learn patterns. For instance, in a chatbot development, each word in the user's input is treated as a token, which helps the AI understand and respond appropriately. So all this tokenization goes into machine learning, and it is tokenized, and this is how it's going to collaborate going forward. Let's go further on this project. Earthmeta, or EMT, is metaverse at a whole new level. Okay, it says here, Earthmeta is the first decentralized AI powered, okay, which is it is the first one. I thought it was one of the first, but it is the very first. So this is a new tryout project, should be interesting. Then interact and create an economy in the metaverse through smart contracts. Remember, smart contracts are digital contracts on the blockchain that suit a future agreement. Okay, Earthmeta ecosystem. Now, this ecosystem is comprised with many features. Some crypto project may just have one feature on their ecosystem, but this one has a whole lot. This project is, if I should say, is quite massive. The people that are undertaking it, I'm sure they are going through a lot of work in developing this. But let's go through the ecosystem. The Earthmeta core, own and trade virtual real estate in the most immersive UX, UI, and gamified experience. And then you're going to have Earthmeta AR and wallet. Immerse yourself in a augmented reality experiences with the Earthmeta AR app while tracking your token performances and reward in real time with the Earthmeta wallet app. Another feature that they have is Earthmeta AI. Okay, gain a competitive edge with our AI Drive platform at delivering accurate and personalized data to guide your trading decisions. So while you are trading, you will also be guided by the artificial intelligence on buying and selling the token, but not yet, because it's not yet reached that level of reaching exchanges where you would see it going through candlesticks on a buy and sell mode. Earthmeta Marketplace. Step into the marketplace and explore boundless opportunities for buying, selling, and trading virtual properties with the most accurate information. Earthmeta token. Engage in staking and farming activities, trade NFTs, and unlock rewards and incentives with EMT. So the ecosystem is quite packed, and I think this is extremely good. That means that there is a lot more that you can do and earn from this project. It's not just a single feature. I thought this was going to be the only feature that it would have, Earthmeta AI, and then that's it. But it has a whole lot more to offer to it. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ecosystem channels that you can gauge on, which is quite good. Bonus stages. Well, this bonus stages, current price 1 EMT 0.0. This is the current price apparently in its pre-sales. Okay, it's on 0.15 bonus to base price. And now another thing that I've also noticed, the base price at this point, this level currently, if I should say, 1 EMT is equals to 0.015 USDT. Listing price, when it reaches at this level at 0.03 USDT, it will be listed. Okay, I'm not sure it's gonna be listed on the main exchanges, or it's gonna just be listed as just listing it all. And the total token supply is 2,100,000,000 EMTs. I think that's the total, but that's not the current one. That's when it's been out there, and it's gonna be getting launched. And you have different bonus levels and percentages that you can earn from. The more you stake, the more you earn, plus 186% APY. Okay, let's go through this APY explanation. Okay, I'll read first and then I'll just go through this APY explanation. Participating in the inception of the Earthmeta AI metaverse gives you a guaranteed 186% APY at the launch date, and incentivizes early adopters to ensure the growth of the EMT ecosystem. So APY, for those who don't know, is annual percentage yield. So this has to do with earning. Okay, the annual percentage yield, or APY, is a standard return computation rate in traditional banking and cryptocurrency. It considers the benefits of compound interest, which can increase the amount received. If the APY is high, investors can earn a higher profit. Simple as that. You just need to have a prominent project such as this one to be able to earn that. So they do promise more than 100% profits if you jump in at this stage. This is a pre-sale, by the way, not yet even launched. Token structure. Let's look at the structure of the token itself. Only 210 million EMTs will be issued during the pre-sale stage. So they haven't reached that level, because here we saw that the total token supply is 2 billion. That's the total token supply when it reaches the level where it should be. But currently in its pre-sales, only 210 million EMT will be issued during the pre-sale stage. And these funds are allocations of funds, innovation and code development. When it reaches that level, only 210 million, about 10% or 40% of innovation and code development, marketing and promotional 15%, centralized exchanges, that's CEX, that's centralized exchanges listing, and DEX, decentralized exchanges liquidity, is going to receive 10%, operational expenses 8%, global expansion 12%, business development 10%, legal and regulation and 5%. Currently total token supply, when it reaches that level on 2,100,000,000, these are the numbers that you'll be getting, but still 4% funding team, innovation and code is currently at 18%, 16% treasury and ecosystem, 14% on marketing, 13% staking pool, 12% liquidity pool and listing exchange, and 10% pre-sale and business development 8%, play to earn and airdrops 5%. This is the token structure. Let's move on to the next feature. Reasons to be an Earthmeta token holder. As Earthmeta AI establishes itself as a leading player in the metaverse and AI landscape, EMT tokens are posed to benefit from key growth factors, including high liquidity, limited supply of the token, listing on top exchanges. Okay, that would be something most traders are looking forward to. They will be seeing those large candlesticks at the moment this token comes in. Traders just buy into it. And usage growth of EMT tokens as a utility token. So we're going to the stages that it goes to, but the stages are made up of just two, divided into two, but there is a whole lot more. So in the stage 1, inception and development, the usage of Earthmeta token is driven by platform adoption, a limited token supply, utility and staking incentives within the dynamic cryptocurrency landscape. Stage 1, okay, it has pre-sale launch, Earthmeta platform, decentralized exchange listing. We talk about Binance, Bybit, and all these exchanges. Staking pools, Earthmeta AR, and central exchange listings as well. AR, apparently I found that the meaning of AR, let me just look into this. Alright, AR is the currency of the R-Wave or R-Wave network. Users who wish to store data must buy AR to pay for distributed data storage, and computers on the network that provide storage services must accept payment in AR tokens. Of note for investors is that the number of AR tokens in circulation is limited to 66 million units. That is also part of the development that you see on this project. Launchpad cities on stage 2. We have expansion and growth through our strategic initiatives and partnerships. Earthmeta will solidify its position as a front runner in the metaverse landscape, and of course also on AI. dApps, interoperability, VR platform, VR virtual reality glasses that you need to wear for your virtual reality, metaverse based hardware components that you need to connect on the metaverse. You need that VR glasses. To the moon and the sandbox, and to the moon, and going to the moon, meaning that it will be going further on and doing incredible things as the future unfolds for this project. This is the token roadmap as we've seen it. White paper release on 31st May, and launch of Earthmeta platform October 2024. So we'll be seeing a launch of Earthmeta platform. So the platform will be coming this year, October 2024. Token pre-sale already been done on the 1st of June, which is this month, which is the one that we are talking about. This is the state where we are currently at right now. Going forward, Earthmeta token listing on the 1st of December. So the token will be more prominent going next year, January, so to speak. And centralized exchanges listing on Q25, first quarter of 2025, which is next year. Cross-chain compatibility on Q2 2025. This is the second quarter, so you're speaking about months like May, June, July. Going forward next year 2025, so to the moon on 2026 plus. So these years are very, if I should say, they are very important years. These are the cycle years for the bull market in the crypto space. This bull market is quite, if I should say, a bit tricky, because it's not the one that everyone is used to. the halving has happened, but the market is still on its levels of 69 or under 70k per coin. But that's just another matter. Okay, facts at a glance. But now they're comparing major projects that are similar to Earthmeta, like Decentraland. They already have prominence, and they are working, and Sandbox and Illuvium. So staking NFT lens pools, they've got it in Earthmeta, but Decentraland and Sandbox and Illuvium have none of it. AR gamification, they've got it in Earthmeta, but Decentraland, Sandbox, Illuvium don't have it. NFT cities, they've got it. That's why there's a plus there. Then Decentraland and these other exchange, these projects, Sandbox and Illuvium, don't have it. Shape of lens is complex and multi. And here it's square on Decentraland, square on Sandbox, and rhomb on Illuvium. Price of land acquisition, private on Earthmeta, public on Decentraland, public, and on Sandbox, public on Illuvium. So these are metaverse based features, if I should say. Price of land acquisition, okay, tax land transaction, 2%, 2.5% at Decentraland, 5% at Sandbox, 3% at Illuvium. Then marketplace peak, we have $8.91 billion. Then this one, Decentraland, and on Sandbox, $11.808 billion and $1.17 billion on Illuvium. So, but this one has not yet been shown because it's still yet going to be launched. The main launch is coming, but we are still on the pre-sale. Of course, this is the motivated team comprising of different colors. It's a colorful team, different races of people all across the world that are doing this development. I do believe that they are quite professional at what they are doing, and they might be doing a very, very great job. Hence, I've seen this project as something that is going to be quite prominent from 2024 to 2025. Foundation of our success. These are the guys. And then it's Massimo Moretti, who is the CEO of iTech, and Edwin Mata, founder and CEO of Bricken. So these are huge projects. These are people who are quite experienced already, who are coming into this space of crypto. So in other words, as an investor, crypto trader, I do trust this project that it will have quite great prominence for people who are interested in pre-sales, ICOs, before the project launches. So you can jump in early if you are looking for early adoptions of cryptocurrencies and projects, and getting to know the advancement of cryptocurrencies, because it just keeps on expanding year by year. I hope you find this informative. Until next time, please be sure to click that like button and do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thank you very much.